Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to review a ROM called Awaken. Now let me load up the font specification. Well, the ROM uses Pixel 6 Pro fingerprint, so I believe the ROM is using model name as Pixel 6 Pro and stuff like that. Coming to the Android version or the system specification, you can see the Android version is 12 and the Awaken version is 2.3 Nebula. It's an unofficial version and the ROM in front of you is built with G apps. So basically it's not a vanilla version. As you can see, let me show you some app launching speed and stuff like that. It's pretty much smooth. Take a look at this. All app opening are pretty much smooth. There isn't any lag or any delay. Now let me take a look at the Magisk. Let's hide the Magisk. Okay, right, it has been already hidden, and let's check the safety net. As you can see, the safety net passes when you hide the Magisk. And let's go to the device information to see the system information. It's a user build type and it's using Google Raven as its fingerprint. So that is about the system side. So let's take a look at the user interface side of the ROM. Now the ROM comes with stock user interface. As you can see that there isn't any much changes in the user interface in terms of quick settings or settings. It's just a normal ROM but with much smooth and with much stability. So let's launch the settings page and try to see where we can find some customization and all. Well, you are familiar with most of the settings available here, so I'm not going through the individual settings, but I will go through areas where we have some customization. So let's take a look at the display. Now as you can see that we can enable dark theme if you want to. If you don't want to enable it, no worries. So the first thing that you will have is you will have a selection of some fonts. Now the fonts doesn't have a long list, but yeah, some useful fonts are there, like Linote. It's a nice font, as you can see. Yeah, it's a nice font to apply. Then you get the icon pack options. Then coming down here, there is a Monet engine. If you want to use the wallpaper shades, definitely you can use that if you are interested, or else disable and go for a custom color like we always do in other ROMs. Now coming further down, you get display customization and you get some customization for the battery styles. If you just want text, certainly you can arrange it that way, and if you want the battery estimate to be displayed somewhere over here, I believe, yeah, that's not, I don't know whether it is working or not, but I cannot see that. Then you get clock settings, like we always get clock style center. Anyways, center won't work because we have a notch. Then coming to status bar items, you get some enable or disable option for some of the icons to be displayed. Then combined signal icons, show data disabled icon, roaming indicator, media player, network. Yeah, you get a network speed indicator too, like the OS style. You can see from the status bar, it is being displayed over here. So you get three choices with it. Either you can have the download speed, upload speed, or the dynamic version of it, and you can even auto hide the interval and stuff like that. Then you get always on when charging and ambient edge lighting. I don't normally use this sort of stuff. So these all are the customization that you get with the ROM. Other than that, you don't get any customizations with the ROM. Anyway, I mean, even though it is minimal in customization, still you should appreciate the way the ROM works. It is smooth, it is pretty much smooth. As you can see, even in the developer options, I have not set the animation, or I have changed the animation scale. It was set to 0.5 under these two categories. I mean, under these two options it was set 0.5, but I changed it to 1.0. I just want it to be further smooth. The ROM is so smooth, so why should I decrease the speed? I mean decrease the scale. So I just set it as 1.0, 1.0 and 1.0. So if you want to change the GPU render, definitely you can do that. Either you can go for OpenGL Skia or Vulkan Skia. Let me put it as Vulkan Skia. So this is what you get with the ROM. And coming to the gestures, you get further options. So you get an option for quick open camera, system navigation. So go further settings and you can see that there is a full screen gesture. If you don't want to see the pill over here, you can enable this. That's also a useful feature. Otherwise you have to use some Magisk module. So if you want to swipe to screenshot, you can definitely enable it from here. So for these options you need to come here to the system, then take the gestures. It's over here. Anyway, well, to talk further about the ROM, as I've already shown you, the app launching is very smooth and you can see there isn't any lag with the quick settings too. The ROM is worth to use as a daily driver. This is something that I can say, and it is compiled with the latest kernel. Let me show you the kernel information. Oh yeah, here we are, 4.19.225 Citrus Moon kernel. So it's the latest version of the kernel. Now honestly speaking, the build is so smooth. If you want to use it as a daily driver, definitely you can try it as a daily driver. It doesn't have much customization, so which means you won't get many bugs. So if you want to use it, definitely you can use it. This is my verdict about the ROM. The ROM is pretty much smooth, and the ROM has been compiled by our friend Javashin, and he did a great job. He did a great job to make the ROM pretty much smooth. So if you want to use it, yes, please do make sure that you use it. Till now I have not found any bugs, and I can show you something. I have installed the ROM yesterday night, and let me show you the battery usage. Well, I have installed the ROM when it was around 98 or 99% battery. As you can see, this is the battery usage just for the overnight, and the ROM is pretty much good. Well, battery usage or battery backup depends upon the user's usage. So we cannot really say that this ROM has good battery backup and this one doesn't have good battery backup. Well, it is pretty much crazy to say. So it depends upon how you use the ROM, the temperature in your area and stuff like that. So many factors depend on it, providing the battery backup stuff. If you want to use it, definitely you can use it as a daily driver too. I have not felt any lag from the ROM. Once again, I would like to thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.